Hey, what's going on YouTube? Taff from xking.com with another video. Today's video is an easy question that a lot of people might not know the answer to. Should you do blogging or vlogging? Now, blogging is just having a blog and writing content. Vlogging is shooting, well, all the YouTube videos is vlogging. It is vlogging, but I guess you show, a day in your life, or you do more YouTube videos. So what should you do? What should you do? What would you pick? What would I pick? And the question is, what do you prefer doing? Do you prefer written content or video content? I think more people nowadays are leaning on more video content, but it depends on what you're doing. If you're trying to teach someone something, or home improvement, or fixing cars, or cooking food, video will be the best. If you're talking about law, or you are explaining people your situation, or you're trying to give some advice and tips, maybe written content will be good. My suggestion for you is to do both. You should be a blogger. I think bloggers should be vloggers and vloggers should be bloggers, because both of them are the same thing. So you could do a blog post and a video about the same piece of content. So I would definitely do both. I wouldn't just pick one and stick with it. If you love video and do videos, nothing wrong with that, but you should have a blog with it. You should have a website, because YouTube is great. Having videos is great too, but if people want to know more information about you, it's better to read it than watch a video. That's my opinion. I would do both. I would sell a blog and do YouTube videos, and if you have YouTube videos, do a blog. If you have a blog, just a blog, I would definitely do some videos. I would do both. And the blog will drive traffic to the YouTube, and YouTube drive traffic to the blog. I think blogging nowadays, if you're a blogger, you must have a YouTube channel. It's just the people, the income school that I follow, they have a YouTube channel and blogs. John Chow have a YouTube channel and blogs. Almost all the top bloggers, Create and Go, all the top bloggers have YouTube channels. So it's kind of go hand in hand. You have to have both. You have to have both. There's no shot blog or vlog. If you're a vlogger and you love doing video, I would set up a blog. Cause a website is more. It's more. I guess it's more you than a video. Cause your channel is you, but a website is more personal, because you can customize it however you want to. You have your images. The YouTube's already set up. It's just your video, or your image. With a blog or website, it's more you, it's more content, and people can read all the blog posts. It could be about you page. It's just more personal. You have a photo section, a video section. You can have contact information. You have a lot of stuff. And you can monetize the blog more than a YouTube channel. YouTube channel, you only monetize it in so many ways. You can have, links below the video. You can have AdSense, but the blog, there's multiple ways to advertise. You can ads, affiliate marketing. You could do email marketing, capture the lead. You could do really good affiliate marketing. If somebody want advice on a product, you could link to that and be good. So what makes more money? YouTube, or blog? I would do both. I would do both. They both do well. YouTube is free. So there's no reason why you can't make a video and write a blog post about that video. There's no reason why you can't do that, because shooting videos don't take long, editing don't take long, writing blog posts, in my opinion, don't take long. You should do both. Blogging is a good way to make money. YouTube is kind of cracking down on some stuff. You can't do certain stuff, but a blog or website is more personal. You gotta do some really serious bad stuff before you get kicking off your hosting. But website is more control. It's more controlled. You can control how to look and feel. You can control, people posting on your blog. You get writers for your blog. Like, the one thing about blogs that people know about, like a YouTube channel, you can't hire no one to run it for you. You have to write the shoot the content, edit the content. With a blog, I could hire writers. I could hire someone to pretty much write the content of my blog, so it's passive. It's all the way passive. So that's why I say you should do both, because YouTube is passive, but it's not really. But blog, it can be passive. If you're making about $5K a month, you could pay writers to write the content for you. All you're doing is updating plugins. That's it. It's completely passive. So I would do both. Get into both. If you want to get into Bluehost, link below the video, get a free domain. And you want to make money online with YouTube, below the video, there are a link to a program that I use to help me make money with YouTube. And that's the end of my video. Bottom line, I would do both. I would do a blog and YouTube. You know, I got a blog, theaskking.com. I got my own YouTube channel, which you're watching now. And that, it just helps. It just helps. It's, I'll do both. I'll just do both. I don't see why vlogger wouldn't be a blogger and blogger won't be a vlogger. Most bloggers are vloggers. Most vloggers are not bloggers. But if they were made a blog, they'll make more money. Ty for the xking.com. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.